Last but not least, Denise Severson. We want Denise coming back to her 8th and final year of creating amazing costumes for the musicals. If you haven't got a chance to see the display in the Commons of some of the pieces and the pictures of what Denise has created for us over the last 7 years, please be sure to do so before you leave. She is so talented and knows just what is needed to make every character spring into life. Thank you so much for all of your dedication and time spent with us and all these kids over the years. We hope you enjoy your much-deserved free time going forward.